U Street, once Black Broadway, thrived as a neighborhood in Washington, D.C. It hosted 200 plus Black-owned businesses, exclusively serving African Americans, and was home for jazz icon Duke Ellington. Due to the Jim Crow laws, U Street became a vital alternative for Black residents who were barred from nearby downtown shops. Hey y'all, I'm Tony Reed. Welcome. Join me on this channel as we explore travel with a travel book, adventures in 46 countries across 6 continents, and a travel advisor background. I'm here to share it all. Get set for updates, pro tips, and incredible hacks. Let's jump in. A staple that still stands on U Street is Ben's Chili Bowl, a restaurant that turned 65 years old Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023. And they celebrated with free meals and a neighborhood block party. Growing up in D.C., U Street was a must-visit party destination in the Washington, D.C. area. And it was also the neighborhood for boutique shops for African decor. There was also Little Ethiopia because of the many Ethiopian restaurants. But today, U Street area is almost unrecognizable due to the gentrification. Nevertheless, U Street in Washington, D.C. still maintains its culture, vibrancy, and an authentic urban experience that bridges the past and present. Enjoy!